going into using Suprado, we've heard a lot of the great things through all the trials from the universities, through you hear from Steve McDonald or Dr. Ben McGraw, all of these people who have just had high remarks for Suprado. We put it out. The first reaction is the timing is there, where there is no specific timing. You know, we have a very, very hilly golf course. There's a lot of microclimates out there, some north-facing slopes, some south-facing slopes, some full sun, some in the shade. With the Suprado, it gives you a window, a pretty good window to go with, and you know, as long as you're within that window, which seems to be 2 to 3 weeks, your timing is there, and it really has made it pretty simple. And then to see the results that we had a check plot that I purposely skipped, and we had severe damage there to the POA, but to see no other damage on the property, where we've had known hot spots where we know the bug is at and it's going to be there year after year. The biggest change that I've seen this year is just the lack of damage across the property. We'd always do well, but we would still see the damage, especially by this time of the year. We would start to see damage on our 12th hole. It's our second fairway. There's woods on the left and some native on the right, and they would just kind of come in there and we'd see damage. 17, same thing. We had native on the left. Coming down off the hill, we would see damage throughout the year. Just scouting on our, a few times a week basis that we go out and check our hotspot areas. We're not finding the weevil. I mean, you might see an adult here and there, but we're not finding the dozens of adults that you might find in a check plot. We're just not seeing that. And it's as good as a product as Suprado is. When you hear as many people talk about it the way they have, I think that is something that needs to be listened to. The word is out, and it's across the entire region that we're all seeing the tremendous success of it. And I would say, just do your own research, listen to who you're comfortable and who you trust, and just take the plunge. It's really what it comes down to, is just doing it. That seems to be the game changer when it comes to the annual bluegrass weevil.